Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't put on makeup in forever, but I put on makeup and I straightened my hair thanks to Drybar for sending me this amazing the straight shot. It's a little bit wet there, it's on the sink. It is their blow drying flat iron Drybar straightener. Like, I was able to straighten my hair in half the time that I usually straighten my hair, which if you have curly hair, you know. Here's a little bit more about it if you guys want to pause and read that. I absolutely love this. I am so excited because I was able to straighten my hair less time than I usually do. So I'm gonna like put a little clip now of me straightening my hair.
All right, guys,
not the whole thing, just like a small
I'm
clip.
just going to show you how the product actually worked. I started already and then I forgot to record, you know, as usual, but it's super simple and easy to use. I actually also used their leave-in conditioner because it is a heat protectant as well. I was having a little trouble and was getting a little frustrated. I was like, you know what, let me just do another part for this, so this way you guys can see like from curly to straight. And usually I wet it first, but that's why it looks wet, because I re-wet it because my hair tends to dry easily. And there we go, there's the spray. Totally forgot that I showed it so I could show everybody. They have a heat protectant. I'll put all the information down below where you guys can try and get it. I'm pretty sure it's in Ulta, but there might be available somewhere else. But also usually is where I see Drybar products and everything Drybar related. You see how fast and simple that was to straighten. Of course, I did it a few more times because my hair was very wet when I did this, but it's always best to straighten your hair when it's wet because you get a better result. But yeah, so it definitely took me less time than it usually does to do my hair, and I was actually excited.
Super quick, super easy, super fast, super simple. I know, right? So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. Okay, what I love about it is like it has the bristles for the brush, right? And then this turns hot is like a metal plate, like a flat iron, and then little holes is where the air comes out. So you literally have the brush, the flat iron, and the blow drying mechanism, whatever, all in one. You're able to do big portions, or it's smarter to like section your hair and do smaller portions. I absolutely love this. It cuts down, like I said, I've already said like many times, cuts down straightening my hair in half the time that I usually straighten my hair. So it's super simple and easy. It's gonna get a little loud, sorry. Oh, it's not plugged in. Hold on a second, let me plug it in. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So it's gonna get a little bit loud, right? I don't know if you can see the air. And just straight. So definitely check them out. I absolutely am loving this. I'm so thankful and grateful that they sent me this product. It really does straighten your hair, like you see here, and a little shine. It has ionic technology. It is honestly all the Drybar products that I've ever tried, like their tools, I've always had great reviews on them. They've never given me problems, and definitely would recommend getting. Buy sneakers. Sorry, my husband's texting me as I'm doing this video, but I'm upset, low key, or is it high key, or is it totally upset? I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And like always, please stay safe out there. Bye now.